like for both of you, since you've been in the market for so long, to share your one most valuable trading tip that you have for our viewers at home. Jared, do you want to start off?
Yeah, man, in 20 years of trading, I've picked up a lot of stuff, and I would say most of it has come from a painful place. When you get tired of laying on the floor in the fetal position with a little bit of drool coming out of your mouth, you say, "Okay, I'm just gonna not do that thing anymore." And I had a couple of those experiences in my early career, so it taught me some important lessons in trading. I hate to be so cliche, and I know this is probably what everybody wants to say, but for me, just risk management has been the most important thing. I always tell myself that like my risk barometer is when I put a trade on, do I feel stressed out or do I feel okay about it? If I feel stressed out, I already know that I might be trading too big and I might be trading too aggressive. And so risk management has saved my life in trading, and it's kept me, it's allowed me the flexibility to figure out the things that I may have been doing wrong, or the thing that I might have done wrong on that trade. And so just keeping my trade sizes manageable and on the conservative side has been probably the most important thing I've ever done.
So let's unpack that a bit more. What do you mean by trade size? Is there a percentage of your overall portfolio that you feel more comfortable with in terms of allocating per trade, or are you looking at it from a different perspective?
Yeah, so I think, just on the very basic part of it, just the absolute size of my trade relative to my account, right? What percent am I risking on a trade? I read this great interview. Everyone knows oh, what's his name now? Is it Seth Klarman, the fund manager? Do we all know him? The
Yeah.
Boston-based manager. Anyway, this guy has managed 10, $15 billion for like the last like 4 decades, and he uses on this massive fund 20% of his account, right? So he's produced like these 20% annual gains on 20% of his account, and he's left 80% untouched. And I just read this the other day, and I thought that's that's how I've been trading for the last at least 15 years. Once I got over this, and to be honest, these kinds of trades that we're putting on here, these short-term trades, I want to keep my trades small, and I want to spread them out, because one thing I've
Correct.
learned in trading is that tops and bottoms are just so impossible to find, right? If we can get into the general area, that's all I'm trying to do, and I do that through small trade sizes spread out over kind of a large area. So if normally I might trade one standard lot, I'd rather have 10 mini lot trades spread out over a 200 pip area than one standard lot trade, at one price, hoping it stays, within my stop loss and profit target, parameters.
So it sounds like you don't focus so much on getting the most precise entry. You just want to be in the neighborhood and just kick off your first trade and then scale in as it moves either in your favor or against you, as long as it stays within the technical structure that you like, while risking only a controlled amount per trade and per overall investment. Good stuff.